What's something people don't know about Hurricane Helene? It's now one of the deadliest storms to hit the U.S. this century. Hurricane Helene slammed into the U.S. with unprecedented force. Winds over 150 miles per hour. Torrential rains. Massive flooding. Entire towns underwater. Lives have been turned upside down. Over 1 million homes without power. Thousands of people displaced. The storm's impact unimaginable. Emergency services are stretched thin. Communities are rallying together. But the road to recovery? Long and difficult. This isn't just another storm. It's a stark reminder of nature's power. And the importance of being prepared. Stay safe. Stay informed. And always heed warnings. Hurricane Helene has changed lives forever. Let's support each other through this crisis.